I'm gonna order escrow.
Escrow, we would pay it in escrow, Your Honor.
Mr. Menina's client has made several threats.
Thank you. I would ask the court if it may. She hasn't paid rent. They haven't paid rent since November. The rent for November, December, and January is $5,000 a month. And the rent for February and March is $5,500 a month. I would ask that you ask them to escrow.
What is the current monthly amount of rent?
It's, there's a holdover provision, but we'll accept the normal rent, Your Honor.
About 5,000.
5,000 for.
I'm gonna order escrow.
Escrow, we would pay it in escrow, Your Honor, but not to them, because they have to sell the property to us.
Court recalls the case of R&J Group Holdings versus Saffield et al.
Witness is ready, Your Honor.
Counter plaintiff is also ready.
All right. Where are we on this, folks?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
God bless you, Your Honor.
I have trying to figure out exactly where our posture is on this case because I received 2 emergency ex parte motions. Have you have those, counsel? Pardon?
No, I received one some time ago for an adjournment that's long since come and gone.
No, these were filed yesterday.
I have no such, I haven't been served with anything. I had no idea those were even in existence.
Well, and I'm trying to figure out why are they ex parte? Why is the request ex parte?
Permission to speak, Your Honor?
Yeah.
Okay, good morning. They are ex parte because the order that Your Honor signed for $5,000 a month bond escrow, we are trying to revise that to $250,000 refinancing proceeds of another property.
This case is this case currently before the circuit court?
It is currently it's been appealed. Your Honor's judgment has been appealed and we filed a motion to dismiss the appeal. It's still pending, but that's all I can tell you about that, Judge.
So we'll get copies of these to you, but that's what it, I mean, I'm not clear I understand these motions because the first motion is to have a lending institution. You want the bond changed from 5,000 a month, which was the escrow order.
Correct.
Which would customarily then become your bond on appeal. You want that changed to a $250,000 bond.
Correct. And may I speak the reason?
You can, but I'm not even clear that at this juncture, I would have the jurisdiction to do that. Because I think you would have to request that of the circuit court to change the bond. I've set the bond when the case was before me. It's appealed. That, in my understanding, that's the only thing I can do once the appeal is filed. I can set the bond on appeal.
Likewise,
after that, it's the circuit court. So I don't even know that I can address this. I would also note, counsel, and like I said, we'll get you a copy. There's also this motion to have the R&J Group Holdings pay $250,000
Escrow bond.
for an escrow bond. I don't even know what that, they were the prevailing party, so I'm not even sure how that works. But
yeah, I can't comment on, I haven't seen any.
I know, and that how these got on? I set this for a hearing on the escrow.
That's what I was under the impression was here today.
I didn't know anything about it. They are not on this document.
For the payment out of the escrow? Is that what I set it for? And I'm not gonna, well, the appeal is still pending, correct?
Correct.
The court set the hearing and I called the court.
Yeah,
Said that
I'm
they wanted
not
us to come.
sure
So
why did I do that?
When is the hearing?
I must have been under some determination that something had happened with the appeal, but you're telling me it did not.
no, the appeal is pending in the circuit court on this matter.
Okay, then I can't do anything with escrow, so,
May I ask you a question, Your Honor?
sure.
Okay, Mr. Momina's client has made several threats out loud, even in the hallways of this court,
So, ma'am,
to burn the house down. Does the court have authority to issue a PPO against him? I am protecting 4 underage children, my mother on the wheelchair. I don't want him to burn the house because we have a pending case. It's totally out of order.
Your Honor, that's preposterous.
No, it's not.
It's
You even
absolute-
heard.
I didn't hear anything like that. I
Oh,
don't,
yes,
I've heard,
well, a lot
I've
of
seen a
people
lot
did.
of things in this case I've never seen before, including ex parte motions seeking a $250,000 bond. That's
Yeah,
That's
that's a breach of
preposterous.
contract, sir. This is a breach of contract case and a jury demand.
everybody done? No, I can't deal with anything. I have no jurisdiction. The jurisdiction at this point of this case rests with the circuit court.
Yes,
So-
thank
Are
you.
you denying the ex parte motion?
I am,
Or refer.
yes, I'm denying them because they are improperly filed before me. Because I can't do that. You'd have to file those with the
Yes,
circuit.
we'll do that, Your Honor.
All right,
Thank
so,
you.
all right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Appreciate it.
Here, this is. So that, no, that goes with it, trust me. Then court is stand in recess and give me about 5 minutes and then council come back.
Your Honor, I just want to make it clear, Mr. Campbell and Ms.
Judge Baldwin dispute with another party such as this, and you just can't seem to work it out. Don't resort to taking the law in your own hands.
We'll hear the litigants' reaction.